Digital sculpture is a fun and interactive path into the world of CG art, 3D print, and more. If you're interested in getting started sculpting and creating, this is the course for you. Welcome to ZBrush Quickstart Introduction. My name is Pierre. I'm a digital art instructor, a proud girl dad, as well as a Chicago native that's had the pleasure of studying and creating coursework as well as assets for ZBrush for over 10 years. ZBrush is a top-tier sculpting app with a lot to offer. This beginner's course will cover the essential tools and features needed on your creative journey. Together, we will sculpt several small projects, developing your understanding and comfort for the basic tools and practices. This is a learn-as-you-go course, with each lesson building upon previous ones, making it easy to return at any time and continue learning. I look forward to seeing what you create, so if you're ready, join me and let's get started.